Trees are an essential part of our world, and knowing their names in English helps you talk about nature, landscapes, materials, and even food. In this video, we go through 40 common and useful tree names, from fruit trees to hardwood species, with clear examples to make each one easy to remember. Let's start with 15 common fruit trees, the ones we see in gardens, farms, and markets all around the world. Apple tree. The apple tree in our yard produces fruit every autumn. Pear tree. They planted a pear tree behind the house. Cherry tree. The cherry tree blossoms beautifully in spring. Lemon tree. Their lemon tree gives fruit all year round. Orange tree. Orange trees grow well in warm climates. Mandarin tree. He picked mandarins from the mandarin tree. Plum tree. The plum tree is full of ripe plums. Peach tree. The peach tree needs a lot of sunlight. Apricot tree. Apricot trees bloom early in the year. Fig tree. A big fig tree grows beside the old house. Olive tree. Olive trees can live for hundreds of years. Avocado tree. Their avocado tree finally produced fruit. Mango tree. The mango tree gives shade and sweet fruit. Banana tree. Banana plant. The banana plant grew very fast. Walnut tree. A walnut tree stands in the middle of the garden. Now let's look at 15 trees that are famous for their wood, strong, durable, and used in furniture, construction, and everyday objects. Oak. The old oak stood tall for centuries. Holm oak, evergreen oak. Holm oaks are common in Mediterranean forests. Cork oak. Cork oak trees are harvested for their bark. Beech. Beech wood is popular for furniture. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus trees grow tall and fast. Pine. Pine trees are widely used for construction. Fir. Fir trees grow in cold climates. Cedar. Cedar wood smells pleasant and resists insects. Maple. Maple trees produce beautiful red leaves. Birch. Birch wood is light and easy to work with. Ash. Ash wood is strong and flexible. Mahogany. Mahogany is valued for luxury furniture. Palm tree. Palm trees grow near beaches and warm areas. Chestnut tree. They gathered chestnuts under the chestnut tree. And finally, here are 10 trees that appear constantly in English culture, in stories, movies, nature phrases, and everyday conversation. Willow. The willow tree bent gently over the river. Elm. The old elm in the park was finally removed. Sycamore. A huge sycamore stood in front of the house. Poplar. Poplar trees grow quickly along roadsides. Redwood. Redwoods are some of the tallest trees on Earth. Sequoia. Sequoia gigante. The giant sequoia amazed all the visitors. Cypress. Cypress trees are common in cemeteries and gardens. Baobab. The baobab is known as the tree of life. Mangrove. Mangrove trees grow in coastal wetlands. Yew. The churchyard was surrounded by old yew trees. Some trees you might hear less often include the elm, common in older European and American city streets, the sycamore, known for its broad leaves and mottled bark, the poplar, fast-growing and often found near rivers, the giant sequoia, famous for being some of the largest trees on Earth, the baobab, iconic in African landscapes for its massive trunk, the mangrove, growing in tropical coastal swamps, and the yew, a dark, long-lived tree often seen in ancient churchyards. Trees are essential for life on Earth. They clean our air, protect our climate, and give homes to countless species. Yet they take many years to grow and only moments to be destroyed by fires, deforestation, and pollution. That's why caring for our forests and our planet is not just important, it's our responsibility. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring English with practical vocabulary and natural examples. See you in the next video.